Listening to music we all love doing. If we are in car with friends and we are doing any work and assignments of college. And here's a question. Did you make money to listen music? I don't think so. If I say when you listen music and you will get paid by someone every time in your PayPal account, yes, it exists. So, pay attention to this video and watch till end because I am going to reveal this trick to make money online by listening music. So when you sleep, wear headphone and play your awesome music and enjoy your dream. And when you wake up in morning and get paid for that. Yeah, it is so simple to make money online only listening music. And you can go on date and relax with your girlfriend, and the best part in this, it is 100% free. So make sure you have your PayPal account to receive your money. So the website name is playlistpush.com. Yeah, this website going to pay us $100 to $200 in a day to listen simple music. So go to your favorite browser and type playlistpush.com. So here this is website playlistpush.com. So here is two options that I release music and I on playlist. So we click to I on playlist because we are not artists and we are not going to release our own music. So here we can provide them details and make a ID on this site. So we write first name, email address, where we live, your address and phone number, and playlist link. And they have big network, 970, when they have over 970 creators on their platform and more keeping join them every day. And they have 23 million playlists and they have 5500 more successful campaigns with their artists. So this is very legit website to earn money online. They have mentioned and they have their partners, they have used their and Fortune and Medium and CD Baby. And here it is artist reviews, you can see here. But here is requirement to work on this website to make money only listening music. The playlist requirements to qualify for playlist pusher. So the playlist follower size requirements is minimum 1000 followers per playlist, and playlist listener activity requirements minimum 30 active monthly listeners per playlist and minimum 1% active monthly listeners per playlist, and strict no bot or fake followers requirements. No gained followers through follow gates or other online services, and no bot fake followers boards vibe in online marketplace or services, or no bot followers are board listening activity, fake followers are fake listening activities. And so they have strict their website to get your followers. But I have a trick to get your 1000 followers on your playlist. I am going to reveal this in the end of video, so stay tuned with me. And they don't accept following playlist types: movie series soundtracks, and playlists that change their title to take followers, and playlist for a specific album, song, artist or band, and playlists focused on a specific decade, means 80s, 90s, 70s. And they have very strict account removal policy. Any account or playlist found to violate the creator requirements, guidelines, or any other prohibited activity at any time will be removed from playlist push immediately, and any pending payments will be forfeited. They receive the right to remove a playlist account at any time with prior notice. So go to Spotify and get your 1000 followers to your playlist. So here we are on Spotify. So sign up if you don't have a Spotify account, and log in if you have your account. So it's time to reveal a trick to get 1000 followers to your playlist. Come up your Facebook account and type here Spotify followers, and here you get a bunch of posts and bunch of groups and pages to get your 1000 followers. For example, if we go to this page, and we are seeing that they have discussion and they have everything to take and give them followers. They have paste their link and they have serve for serve. I know that it is legal and that is not, but there's a trick to get your 1,000 followers on your Spotify. So when you, yes, you can see there in comments that he has follow him and send him a screenshot. So you can do that same and earn your 1,000 followers on your Spotify playlist. So that's all for today. So keep watching my videos and keep hustling and making money online to doing simple work. So thanks for watching. For thumbs up this video and stay tuned with me. Subscribe.